Hi, I'm Tori. I graduated last year as a beauty therapist, and 3 weeks ago I did the VC Lash workshop, and I just want to give you my independent review on the tool set. I love the tool set. I would not go without it, and I'd never go back to the old way of applying lashes since using the tool set. And so here it is. It's the kit, and there's all the components that come inside the kit. So lashes, they grow in layers like this, and you use the wedge here, which is the main part of the tool set, to weave through the layers, so it separates each layer and it makes it more easier to see and then more easier to apply. And another part of the tool set is the divider, and I'll show you in a demonstration how they work.